smaller bags. A Teddy Blake bag. I do live in New York, so when you open Teddy Blake, look straight at that. Maybe a circus, a fair. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie here, and I have yet another unboxing. I did receive a bag from Teddy Blake. I was able to choose a bag that I wanted, so I'm going to share the bag that I chose, why I like it. It's actually a very beautiful bag. As you know, I have entered into I've been favoring smaller bags these days. So I definitely chose a smaller bag, a classic color as per usual. And yeah, so let's get right into it without further ado. So the bag did retail for $4.85 and it was on sale for $4.30. So this is the box that it comes in. A Teddy Blake bag. The shipping was very quick. I got it less than a week, delivered to my home less than a week. I do live in New York, so it is Teddy Blake, New York, so my proximity, having the same state, may have a lot to do with it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. When you open the box, and it reads Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. So each Teddy Blake handbag has been weighed with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. A quick message from Teddy Blake, and there is the message. So we're going to go ahead and open her up. Oh my god, and she's so cute and dainty. So this is how it looks straight out of the dust bag. So I did get the number 9. Okay, so this is how the front looks, and it is definitely a stunner. I did get this is the AVA is the name of this, and I did get it in the size 9, and the texture is crocodile. So I chose black for obvious reasons. I love the color black. Super classic, super elegant, and I wouldn't say that I'm in my quiet luxury stage, but I definitely love luxury items that are more classic colors, not as bright, more into neutrals, and it can last me many seasons and years on. So those are things I definitely keep in mind when I am making luxury purchases. This is the gold hardware. I do prefer silver hardware, but they didn't have silver hardware in this style and texture, so I did go with gold, which is fine for me because I do have a lot of gold accessories. And I recently picked up a hermes sandal, the black safaris that I showed in my previous unboxing, so these would be perfect to go with that. Alright, so the front has Teddy Blake, New York here. If you can see it, it says Teddy Blake, New York, and you have the same detailing here. And then, can it focus? Yeah, there we go. Teddy Blake, New York here. And then it has a cute little zipper, okay, on the back. So the zipper does work. Okay. Alright, so what I really love about this is you can take the flaps out of the hook here. Alright. Okay, and I feel like it's so cute. It reminds me of a Hermes Kelly. So I feel like if you really like the Hermes style of a Kelly and you want something similar for an affordable price that is great quality and has great neutral colors, as you know, it is difficult to get your hands on something like the Hermes Kelly. I feel like it's an excellent alternative. So actually I'm going to go ahead and remove the tag on there, and the tag just basically has, I guess, something to scan, and it has a message that's written in Italian, but alright, so let's just take this off. Okay, so I just got rid of the tag. Alright, so we are going to open her up. Alright, so inside, oh my gosh, so we have the straps for a crossbody, which I am super excited about because, you know, like, I feel like days where you're a bit more interactive for me, like if I'm going out into the city to maybe go to a museum, or if you're going to like a fair or a smorgasbord where they have a lot of food and you're just going to be a little bit interactive and you want to be hands-free, this is definitely perfect, where you can just hook your straps on. This is what the straps look like. All right. Still with the crocodile. Oh, and then it also has a lock and key attachment. I'm just going to take off the paper from it. You can see me just peeling that off. Really cute key. So I am actually going to, I think it's so cute, I am definitely going to attach it. Am I doing this right? Ooh. How do I do this? It can't be like that. I feel like it's a cuter way to do it. I don't think I'm doing it right. How do I do it? I think it's cute with the key. Alright, we'll leave the key off for now. Alright, so it has a bunch of paper inside, so we're going to go ahead. So this is the paper that's in it, and it's pretty deep. Alrighty. I actually really love this bag. It's so cute. Can't wait to style it. Alright, I feel like this is definitely how I'm wearing this to dinner. Like, going out to dinner, something really elegant. Dinner, a play. I do plan to go see The Lion King very soon, so definitely would wear this just like that. But if I'm doing something a little bit more casual and I am going to maybe a circus, a fair, the museum, something where I'm really gonna need my hands to, you know, hold food, my hands will most likely be full, I'm gonna be busy, I will definitely put the straps on. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the straps. Oh, and where you do attach the straps, they do have the Teddy Blake detailing at here. So it says Teddy Blake here, so it says Teddy Blake here as well as here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a really nice attention to detail there. So I'm going to go ahead and just attach it on here. Easy peasy. And you can literally put it around you. And it drops like right here. Let's see. So I'm super excited about getting this bag. I cannot wait to style it. I'm definitely gonna style it before the end of the summer, most likely, like I said, with my black hermes C-free slides, or I might wear it with my Chanel Dad sandals. So I have quite a few options. I'm most likely gonna wear maybe jeans and a top, maybe an all black outfit, but yeah, definitely going to have fun with styling it. It's one of my first crocodile bags, so I'm very excited. I got the leather and the quality feels really good, feels really durable. It's very sturdy and it has a lot of structure, so it's not easy to kind of bend or be malleable, so I'm very happy about that. The handle feels really comfortable. I can, you know, basically fit my whole hands or my whole fingers here, and it feels really comfortable and snug. It has an additional zipper that I mentioned in the back that I can hold more items, and again, it can hold my wallet, my phone, my comb, my toiletries, perfume, lotion, lip gloss, things like that, all my lady or feminine needs or care needs. So yeah, I'm super exciting. Thank you, Teddy Blake, for sending me this bag. And they have a variety of color and sizes. This is what they have. I believe they have bigger sizes. This is one of their smaller sizes, so definitely go on the site and check it out. There will be a discount code in the description box, so definitely check that out as well. And this is a great way to save on luxury items while still getting great quality and durability and getting the look for less. So I am super excited. Yeah, very nice and sturdy bag. Alrighty, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all of your support. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and check out teddyblake.com for all of your latest affordable and stylish and luxury handbag needs. And again, like I said, they have a variety of bags online, so definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I definitely have vlogs coming up that will show me wearing and styling a lot of my items, so make sure you do stay tuned. Alrighty, bye.